Young King attack again in a Trappinsin. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, aka Trappinsin. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. With a music video called Target. Yes, 4K. It's in a 4K. G said it's in a 4K. So we are going to check it out. Also, guys, this is very important. So please do me a favor. Go over the G page, go tell him what you think about the song. Don't tell me what you think about yourself. Go and go tell him what you think. So I'm going to leave a link to the actual video down in the comment section. It's going to be pinned at the top of the comment section. So go over there, go show him some love. If you like it, you don't know what to do already. You know what to do already, right? Support the G. All right, let's jump in the one and hear where Trappinsin has said. Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh, they're going to fire the binds. Let me see. Let's go. All right, England this. Oh, me know. No, ask me, me know. The rubbish bin them. The PS1, them sign at England. But look like him outside. Work your phone. Target, let's go!
Come to the target, a endless mobbing. I roll him down and rob him. Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid. Short.
All right, my first take on it. Obviously, it's a drill. It's a drill vibe. It's a drill vibe. All right, cool. My first take, bro. The rhythm is it's an overshadow your voice a little bit. Cause me have to try listening in a 4K. Me have to try listening in a 4K for hear what you say, G. You understand? So yeah. This is not your fault, by the way. I'm the engineer. Engineer, fix up yourself. Let's go again, though. See if we can fuck with it. Let's go done. Trappinsin outside. Man, them outside. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get some clarity about it. Let's go. Ready?
Come to the target, a endless mobbing. I roll him down and rob him. Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid.
Hear that pussy? Don't play hero like Batman and Robin. The youth, let me run up on your chef, your pussy. The man that will chef your blood. I want your Gordon Ramsay style chefings. Why? Yeah.
Come to the target, a endless mobbing. I roll him down and rob him. Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid. Show to the thugs on my phone.
Hence I use them trap. That's in college.
Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid. Show to the thugs on my phone. Pen. Bacterially, the blood never shake it. When I do not the folly, so don't try. Until
nothing why we do not folly pussy, so don't try. Nothing why we do not shake it. Nothing why we do not grounds out, so don't try. Pussy, we get chefings. Me tell you already. Me wish him Vice is a bit stronger upon a beat though. Vice needs to be stronger, bro. Give it the energy, give it the aggression in the bumbuckler drill. Cause remember say the drill man them full of aggression in the dog. I saw the man in the you see me? So we need that. You're like Batman and Robin, use them trap. That's invalid. Show to the thugs on my phone. Show out the thugs them.
Bacterially, the blood never shake it. When I do not the folly, so don't try.
Yeah, that.
Man, sorry, else you end up sorry. When I chill pan.
Where was it? Don't tell a man sorry because you end up sorry.
Not the folly, so don't try. And tell man sorry, else you end up sorry. When I chill pan next man black, no man a tarry. Look from
man say me not chill pan next man black, me not tarry pussy, me not straight. Me not straight dog, me not straight goose. I want to hear you know yourself.
End up sorry. When I chill pan next man black, no man a tarry. Look from me lace up the crep for go step on them. Pull up the tongue with the whip on them.
Man say him lace up the crep for go tap on them. So you know say crep have to lace up, you know. He must feel ready for the war, you know. Cause out them I go tap on the pussy them, you know. Hey! Anything we see, I get it. The first one we see, I might get it. Where you say?
From me lace up the crep for go step on them. Pull up the tongue with the whip on them. See, put my life on the line for the bread, just so the family fed.
Man say him put him life on the line just to make the family fed. So I'm going to say, yo, him out here so a ride or die. Him put it on the line to make sure him family good.
The tongue with the whip on them. See, put my life life on the line for the bread, just so the family fed. Some things good, some things never said. Like, bro, where did they? When man never have nothing, I beg a man tell me something.
Yeah, dog. Something good, something that's nothing said, brother. Like, dog, where did they? Where did they when nothing now go on? Where did they when white squad tear to all of my mouth? Where did blood clot? They never see it, but now you see me. Now you see me because I'm in a spotlight. Hold them out. Which part?
Come in a furry.
Suck your mother.
Bro, where did they? When man never have nothing, I beg a man tell me something. Beg a man push my button up. When I have peace, I never move greedy. I'm glutton. Look,
when me have peace, me never move greedy and glutton. Me not move craven. Once me have money, all of my dogs, I'm happy have money too. Once, yo, wanna go check out that one in the comment section, please. Wanna go over there, go check out that one in the fucking comment section, dog. Like, seriously, dog.
Man push my button up. When I have peace, I never move greedy. I'm glutton. Look, I darkness will live, forget, but man I forgive. But who done me wrong in the past? Standing in the church, standing in the earth.
Pussy me come like an elephant, me not forget nothing. Me not forget nothing, pussy me. Hey, me come like an elephant. Hey, boy!
Forget, but man I forgive. But who done me wrong in the past? Standing in the church, standing in the earth. Press with the index until it bursts.
Well, what him say, me gonna do, what am I gonna say now?
I'm glutton, look. I darkness will live, forget, but man I forgive. But who done me wrong in the past? Standing in the church, standing in the earth. Press with the index until it bursts.
Yo, press with the index until it bursts. Before that him say, yo, we sending at the church. Come at the pastor. When the preacher pray over your body that dead, so you know you're dead today. Blood clot.
Done me wrong in the past. Standing in the church, standing in the earth. Press with the index until it bursts. For who rampant mind, send 6 feet now see the sunshine. Low like pigs, but anything green get burned like lime. Still, anything green get burned. Burst of rap. Adieu.
Man say anything green get burned like what?
Green get burned like lime. Still,
Lime?
anything green get burned. Burst of rap. Adieu. Time still now do. Not go funny, now more bomb me. Try kill me like a try kill a mommy. Touch my food, touch my fam. Mommy. Last you try that. Turned up be still. Him never sell.
Last you try that turn duppy D-U-P-P-Y pussy.
Okay, brain turn mushy, please. Him friend them a beg me, please. Stop by.
Brain turn mushy peas. For those of you, for the subscriber them who don't know what mushy peas mean are the green peas. I mean, little green peas them where you can buy in a shop. Them never thought they're mushy peas pussy.
Him never sell lucky, brain turn mushy, please. Him friend them a beg me, please. Stop violence and beat. Don't watch, just test me in the street. Never sell out when the block get hot. Never sell out when the block get hot. No.
Never sell out when the block get hot. Even if the feds them hold me still stay grounded. Me still keep my mouth shut because what? Street code and law. Certain boy a leak like pipe. Certain boy a leak like bus drug. Some boy not keep nothing like all fridge. Them leak out.
In the street. Never sell out when the block get hot. Never sell out when the block get hot. Not for my bros, my sick get chopped. Some in a cell, some now come back.
Alright, to the G them.
Target a endless mobbing. I will hold him down and rob him. Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid. Short of the tongues of my phone. Pen. Back to rally. The block never shaky. When I do not folly, so don't try. And tell man sorry, else you'd end up sorry. When I chill pan next man block, no man a tarry. Look, from my lace up the crap for go step on them. Pull up the tongue, got the weapon them. See, put my life on the line for the bread. Just so the family fed. Them want see me dead. Want see my blood shed. That them my meds. That's what I need. Time by myself for clear my head. Why fight against your brother? Instead I pray for him up the ladder and do it. No.
Why fight against the brother instead of praying for him to reach up the ladder? Why fight the brother rather than just helping him up? If you can, why you gonna fight? Why you get out of that?
Why fight against your brother? Instead I pray for him up the ladder and do it. No, you rather don't want to better. It's just another bad man, you from the ghetto. But where I'm from the slum, it never all fun. Enough juvenile, must turn to the gun. Never too young or old, but learn your lesson. Rise every day is a blessing. Psalms a day. I'm aware.
Yeah, that for rise every day is a blessing. And a lesson at the same time. Yes, Psalms a day keep the pussy them away. Or that not keep them away, hold them, you know, man. Everything connects. Okay, man, that's all.
Too young or old, but learn your lesson. Rise every day is a blessing. Psalms a day. I'm a weapon. Love all my G's them too. Yeah, Smith and Weston, them will help me in time of trouble. Look, aye, you're never too young or old, but learn your lesson. Rise every day is a blessing. Psalms a day. I'm a weapon. Yeah, that my depan.
That my depan.
Come to the target and endless mobbing.
Trappinsin!
Don't play here like Batman and Robin. Use them trap. That's invalid. Short of the thugs on my phone. Pen. Back to rally the block, make a shaky.
Trappinsin!
When I do not folly, so don't try. And tell man sorry, else you'd end up sorry. When I chill pan next man block, no man a tarry. Look, from my lace up the crep for go step on them. Pull up the tongue, got the weapon.
Them.
See, put my life on the line for the bread, just so the family fed.
Yeah. Alright. Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a minute. Watch it now. I take back what I said in the first part of the video when we say him voice was a bit too low. Because after really concentrating, which I shouldn't have to, for me, it could just be a little bit up more, a little bit up. Like the mix could be a little bit up more for your voice, bro. You see me? And the rhythm could have been just be a little, just for level it off. You see me? But yeah, me like this, bro. It's a, you can tell it's a Jamaican youth that on a drill beat, bro. And that always bring out like some different style and different flow, bro. You see me? And that show your versatility as well. If you can dip on a drill beat as a yard man, bro, I tell you, it show the best of you, bro. So big up yourself, fam. Big up yourself. Trappinsin, that one done. Big up yourself, me done. Big up yourself, me done. Yeah, me like that one here. What you guys think about it, though? What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Also, remember, the link to this one is going to be pinned in the comment section at the top. So as you go in the comment section, it's going to there. Let me know what you think. And go over there, go support him, go tell him what you think about it. Tell him, say, who send you over there? Who you going to tell him send you over there?
Jamaica's worst gamer.
All right.
The baddest.
I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds, span them and do what? Def them.